Hello, what's going on, guys? I just want to teach you to install the WordPress by using the host installer, or you can say the auto installer, by the way. So what you need to do, because you know that we are inside the cPanel. So for installing the WordPress, there are a lot of ways. You can go through the file manager, but exactly the WordPress cannot be installed by going to the file manager. I just need to go down, and there are the software and services. Okay, so you just need to click on the soft Oculus and do nothing more than that. Just simply click on the soft Oculus and it's loaded there. Now there are 3 updates available. I just don't care about this thing because I'm not gonna update any more thing. There are a lot of scripts. You can see the PrestaShop, the SMF, the PHP BB, the Joomla and the Drupal. Here, where is the Drupal, by the way? They're not showing, but the Magento and the Joomla and the WordPress is so famous. The Magento is for making the e-commerce websites, the Joomla is for making the CMS systems, just like the WordPress, but the WordPress is top one. So let's just click on the WordPress, or just directly click on the install. Now we are automatically in the install panel. WordPress is a web software you can use to create beautiful website or blog, whatever. We like to say that WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. Yes, exactly. And space required, available space, and the required space only 19 MB. Go down. There are some other things, other WordPress which are already installed in my system. The pktutorial.com, a direct WordPress website on a pktutorial.com, and a Sean, and another is on Sean too. I'm just gonna delete both of them because they are not important for me. By the way, there is the related script, the open blog, the Serend, and etc. So actually what I just need to do, I just need to click on the install. And now when I just clicked on install, previously I was in an overview. Now I just clicked on the install. Now it's just asking me for the protocol. I just need to choose the HTTP and nothing more than that, and the domain name. In this hosting I just has this domain name, the pktutorial.com, so it's okay. And the directory, do you want to make the pktutorial.com, the WordPress is in the directory, so just put the directory. Or if you just want to install that directly without any directory on the pktutorial.com, so don't put anything, just blank, just leave it blank, as they're just telling that leave this empty. Okay, what is the mean is that basically, you know that if you just directly access on the pktutorial.com, then you will go over to a website. So exactly, we just cannot leave it empty because there is a website directly. So we have to put a name. Actually, we are just installing the WordPress in a directory, or you can say a folder. I'm just typing here the learn WP. Okay, and there the site setting. What the site name? This will be the site name and the site title too. Learn, or the WordPress for learning purpose, whatever. Description: we are learning WordPress, so we just we are just installing, or we just installed, because we will see the site description after the installation too. The WordPress for this purpose, enable multi-site. Do you want to install the multiple sites here? No, I just don't want that, so just don't enable it. Now the admin account, the admin username, the admin password, and the admin email. What they mean of these things, basically the admin username and the admin password will be the ID and the password to going access in the admin panel of this WordPress website, which I'm just creating. Because of managing any kind of dynamic website, you just need an admin panel. So the admin password and the admin panel and the password. The admin username, as the admin is okay, but as a password I'm just typing MON admin 123. okay, MON underscore admin 123. Don't forget that. And what is the admin email? You can put any email which you have, which you're just using as active, but it should be true or perfect. Just because, for example, if you just forgot the password, then what you will do, you will send a request to your admin email. If you just put the wrong email, then it can't be recovered. So by the way, go there and choose any language. I'm just choosing the English, and then select plugin. Now inside the select plugin, the plugin is it, which is the by default installed. Limit login attempts. Do you want a limited? Do you want to add any kind of limitation to login attempts? For example, if I just enable it, then I can go to the admin panel only for 3 times. Sorry, I can only try 3 times if I just put the wrong password or the ID. So I just cannot do more than 3 times, but I'm not adding any limitation. Go down to the advanced option, and there inside the advanced option, the database name, the table prefixes, the disable update option, auto upgrade WordPress plugin, and the auto upgrade WordPress theme. Do you want to auto upgrade the WordPress? Do you want to upgrade the WordPress plugin automatically? Do you want to upgrade the WordPress theme automatically? Do you want to make the backups once a day, once a week, once a month? I just don't want to make any backup. The backup rotation, because I'm not making any backup, so it's blank and I cannot select any value on there. And for the database name, I'm not doing anything. By the way, it will be the name of the database where all the data of the WordPress will be installed. Every post we just put will be installed on submitted, inserted on that database. By the way, now there is an option to select any theme, whatever you prefer. The Sensible WP, the VWN WP, the WN Associate, and just click there to search some more. You can select any of the theme, whatever you prefer. The WEN Corporate, the Venue. I'm just selecting the Gateway, or any Sensible theme I should select. The Tyros, and go there. Well, this is optional to select the theme. If you just don't select the theme, the by default theme will be installed, as they are just telling this is optional. So guys, what I should select? I'm not selecting any theme for now. I'll just select the theme later on, but I'll just get the by default theme. Let's just click on install, and it's installing, checking the submitted data. It can take 3 or 4 minutes. They are not telling wrong to us. Checking the submitted data, 12% completed, the 14%. Now it's completed. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Did you remember what we put it in the directory? Learn WP. So exactly, if I just go there, or just click there to the PK tutorial, and the Learn WP it's there. Learn WP and Learn WordPress for learning purpose. Did you remember what I just put it here as a title, and this is the subtitle or the description, and there is a by default post, the hello world, and the welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, delete or edit or deleted, then start writing. This is the by default post came there. Now if you just want to go to the admin panel, just click on the PK tutorial, learn WP and /WP admin. Now they're asking for the username and the password. We'll just learn about the login in and login out and etc in the next class, so stay tuned and goodbye.